Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
I don't know, but I say, Nancy, the security issues are also my way, mono. I don't know, but the authorities involved, we need to up their game. We are getting to a point where Sisiano, Akwako say it will be normal, say every single day. Obeti say we'll be actually to ekun bi e Ghana. Obeti say we'll be actually to ekun bi Ghana. Say and there your first time we have subscribing na click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about on sa ebeka. And that me do ka say a senior officer of National Insurance Authority, Twanitia Efreno NIA. Omo senior officer bi yakwa bonitio ekuno. In fact, minister being so, he has escaped death as Nkrofo able to na the bia minister no ewo no sa senior officer so na wono nso ewo ho peace council mpanyifo bi nso na wo mo ewo ho na me be church nsem ni mu na Nkrofo atiase ye. Now oko northern region northern region wa ekuro bi wo ho a ye frɛ no Sanguli mambodin ni ya mesrɛ momfa encheme na sa ekuro na ye frɛ no Sanguli enda me ne wo ka say chieftaincy dispute epeja ne mu ewo ho na tre say ahemfo nsem wa wonim say Ghana has say one of a year dispute by Nkrofo kunkun wo mo ho pan chieftaincy issues. Enfane say we susu say dabi we na wo say wodi hene no e wo say wo free her we susu say dabi hene no e wo say wo free her. Na two functions of a year kokumba and atre say sa ntokwa no esi wo muntem atre say ntokwa na enye ntokwa bi a eye easy sa etiefo intia no na as this country enyama sa no ekono impanyfo hu ne say dabi they have to sit down and solve this particular issue. E was say wo motenase na wo mo kan asem we na abotoyemu eden eba inti omo ana wo mo ekokan asem no one a senior officer of National Identification Authority na wo kan wo mo kan asem ne hu bi eye peace council eti ekuo committee bi a committee na ne ye se wo mo nko service our chieftaincy nsensem no into wo mo chairman ono nso ka ho the northern regional minister a friend Salifu Said ono nso ka wo mo a wo mo koye meeting na tese ye de abotoye mu ayeden aba ono nso e ka ho bi na yesi meeting ne ka no omo yo ma say won sa community na asem esi no ntokwa na esi no eho na nke wo se wo mo ye meeting na peace eba they are coming for peace because chieftaincy issues ye tututuo ye ku nipa e wo se mpanyifo e na ekasa. Now in that particular community na friend Sanguli no me se mambodi ni amofa ncheme in that particular place no it has about 9 communities. Inti Nkrofo ya wo mo kwa campus wo mo yo mo adwen say communities ni na no wo mo ekọ eye second schools bia ewo ho na ya kwa akotenase na ya meeting na ya ka ho asem out of 9 communities no they were rejected from 8 of them because I say omo a wo mo ye involved in chief basabasa yo na esi na ye ba be kan mo kra no omo kra mpese ye be kan mo omo kan pese ye be kan mo iti meeting ya ye ken na esi ewo ekuro a ye frɛ no Sabuebi ana Sabuebi mambodi ni ya mesre mese mo fa ncheme. So finally they got one place a wo mo call ya wo mo ekoye meeting no na yesi wo mo ye meeting na trese Nkrofo bi kra etio na trese wo mo de ba area ho bibia ye meeting no etiefo na afi they just opened fire school na impanyifo yi meeting ewo no Nkrofo yi ebie fire ebieja open fire etio no nti na afa ministers ni mpanyifo mbetumi adwane dina no wo mu dwane ye nti sa senior officer of the National Identification Authority no instant tututo ni na mehunim se emse wono no bebia na wotena no na directly to nkrofo no bebia na omo fire nti no etututo ni na ba ne so bupo ni tioku no instantly multiple times hona eboni tioku no asembe nkwe ni na trese nanka at least if for nothing at all krana se asemo aba na mpanyifo aba se wo mo bekasa mpanyifo no na wo de ko osa wo de ko mo so mpanyifo no na wo sa wo de ko mo so ana na trese nkofo na yo ma say they don't want the peace asumdwe no wo mo mpe nti ye mpe se mo beba area ha se kra den aba be kan asumdwe no ho asem because initially and you see and then adi way is you and then that cry and anka initially no nanka was some meeting no initially the meeting was supposed to be held a very long time ago but in painful way wa show in painful way including the Northern Regional Minister including the minister it to me your madre say wo mo community bi akoye meeting no obon say akokra bi aba ho abe stop yo mo say ye ma mo nya meeting no wa ha ye ma mo nya meeting bi awa ha to the extent say edu baby no even the chairman of the Peace Council will chair this particular meeting no eko asori na nkrofo wo ho e ma wo kwa kire wo mo kra say yesra mo ba ya bei enya ntokwa ne ye dia ntokwa na esi e na ye ba say ye ba be solve if for nothing at all kra na you people should work with us because ntokwa si die si ne say enyama ni na ekobasa enyama ni na ye den essay it if for nothing at all krana you people should be working with us any kwanse mo ye say ye de yamba say ye be take size ye de ye ba say ye ba be solve issues na papa ko kan sa one of the communities sorry our communities na ya momo until they got a different place a school a wo mo ko ye meeting no enchinchine twan nkrofo se ye mo nye meeting na ye di etu ekosi omo so abomutuo nipa baako penyipa asesebe wo family senior officer wo family obi de share ye kuno just because the person loves peace just because the person feels say asemo aba no yenka si sebe kra bia na nipa ko ne kra no it could be say bi kra na I don't know but it could be say bia no kra wo mfi ho it could be say bia wo fi ho nso but because of peace inti because asomdwe de emfa ho say bia wo fi ho na wo mfi ho asomdwe na ye den ye pe inti we nye bibia na ka Peace Council for penyifo a wo mo aba be ye meeting no na ka minister yi ankenye bibia na nkono so ye bo ne tueku no because that was the intention. In fact, the chairman of Peace Council chairman no the chairman of the peace delegation no ono kra interview bia wo ye see wonu pa wonim say he was the target na enya sa National Identification Authority senior officer no mo eku no o see he knows say wonu chairman no he was the target wonu na wo mo ba say wo mo ba be ku no we asem and that me ka say that particular community no securities egu ho say chim wo pese wo pie ko baby kana yentumi ma nkwan pie. So is this what people want? People take actions without thinking of maybe abomo ebia na wo wanyi but onkola na omo mbeko school na omo a comedy omo a sebe wo se wo mo ko dipa eba be didi na and that security aye tight e wo area ne mu ntino obi antumi mpie nko bebia aden. What's all this? And then they'll bet we are go treat you aboway. Just say, see, they are too easy. See, you treat you kunipa. Are you too easy in this country? Hey, maybe I gonna year koi. Maybe I gonna year koi. I should hear back what do say America. Because yes, people also want to protect themselves. If it's too easy to just be killing people anyhow, people also want to be protecting themselves. Into bon safe nkofu bebre na so ebekwa akogige enama America ende akola keto anamo kra na etu ohye ne ho udi agra watwe ne bufu a watwe na ode abo wekun so obenu ne ho kra na wekun awie ahemfo nsem ena we ne wo se wodi we ne wo se wodi we eno ahun ti ototo yenkun nipa na nipa na wo kunu no kunu wi ahwan na wo bedi ne so enya se nipa na wo pese wo di ne so mi bisa o ya ye kun ahemfo nsem ho ne yeku nipa etututio se ye de ye mpene na mesre meka se nipa na wo bo ne tio ekunu no wo de ebufu okun obi a hwa biom na wo bedi ne so